Dear student, how are you all? Hope you all are well. I am also fine. The long-term educational institutions are closed due to coronavirus. You do not have any harm to you in your studies. That's why we take classes in Sripur online school, college and madrasa. We are starting class now. Welcome. Introduction. I am Amal Vaidya, Assistant Teacher, Chaukasi High School, Sripur, Magura. Subject English First Paper, Class 8, Unit 7. Look at the pictures. What are they doing? They are diving in the sky and under water. Can you tell what are they called? They are called diver. So today's topic is the Emma divers. Learning outcomes. After end of the lesson, student will be able to understand the text through silent reading, tell the meaning of the new words, ask and answer the questions, write about Emma divers. Dear student, open your textbook at page 80 and read the text silently. Try to understand the text and find out the unknown words. After finishing the text, we will about the new words. Before the beginning of the 20th century, pearl were obtained from pearl oysters. The oysters were collected from the bottom of the ocean, lake or river. To get enough pearl oyster, free divers open force to descend to the depth of more than 100 feet in one breath. Because of the difficulty of diving, pearls at that time were of different quality as well as very rare. In Asia, some pearl oyster could be found on shoals at the depth of 5 or 7 feet from the surface. At times, the diver had to go 40 feet or even up to 125 feet deep to find enough pearl oyster. These deep divers were extremely hazard of the divers. The rest of the text we'll discuss little later. Keywords. Main words: diver, meaning someone who divers. He is a proficient peer diver. Main word: rare, gold ring, necklace. Not common or frequency: very unusual. He has a collection of rare pearls. Main word: descend, meaning to go or come down. The Emma divers are descending to the depth of the sea. Main word: relay, meaning to depend on or trust someone or something. Many working women rely on relatives for child care. Main words: hazards, dangerous, risky. You should always avoid hazardous things. Let's get some information about the Emma divers. In some fishing villages along the coast of Japan, there was an amazing group of women known as Emma divers. These women work and are still working as Emma. The word Emma means women of the sea or sea women. They are independent divers. They make their living by diving. They can dive to the depth of the sea up to 25 meters, and they dive without using oxygen tank or other breathing equipment. The Emma divers rely on their own skill and breathing technique. They use that skill and technique to push themselves down to the bottom of the sea and back to the surface again. They can hold their breath for up to 2 minutes. Careful washing, lungs capacity, and hunter instinct are the special qualities of Emma divers. Some of these young villagers are going to the city for other jobs. but there are still some who continue to dive even at their 70. If the young people do not take up Emma diving, soon this profession will die out. Evolution, discuss in pairs and answer the following questions. Why are the Emma divers emerging? Question number 2. How deep can the Emma divers go down into the sea? Question number 3. What technique and skill do the Emma divers use in diving? Question number 4. What do you think are the young villagers going on the city? Homework. Write a paragraph on about Emma divers. Write a paragraph on about Emma divers. Thanks all. I hope you understand my class. You will do homework properly. I am finished here today's class. Thank you everybody.